In this session, I'll share a few tips for recording narrations. First, I'll focus on sound quality, and then I'll discuss vocal performance. To begin with, you'll want to record your narration through your computer. And most laptops these days have integrated microphones. These microphones are designed to pick up your voice even if you're a fair distance away from your computer. The drawback to this is that integrated microphones pick up other noises within their range, such as hums of an air conditioner or the sound of a clothes dryer. For example, it might sound a bit like this. One solution to this problem is to get a headset with a microphone. These microphones are meant to pick up sound at a close range, so there is far less background noise. You should also consider the acoustic qualities of the room in which you're recording. In general, large rooms with little carpeting or furniture will produce unintended results, such as a bit of an echo or reverberation. For example, it might sound a little bit like this. To prevent this, it's recommended to record in a small, quiet room. Now, let's discuss tips for an effective performance. Recording a lecture alone has a much different feel than giving a lecture in a classroom. For example, the lack of nonverbal feedback can be a bit disorienting, and it may take a few tries before you get your bearings. To help simulate the classroom environment, and therefore help you feel more at ease, try recording while standing up. Also, no matter how many times you've delivered this lecture, it's a good idea to guide your recording by notes or a script. And before you start your recording, do a few practice takes. When you're speaking, be conscious of your pacing. Try to speak at a moderate pace and avoid rushing through it. Then, take a few deep breaths to help you relax and start your recording. If you're new to recording narrations, expect to do a few retakes. However, the more you do, the easier and faster it will become.